What's going on, Facebook and all you happy growers out there? Just want to give you a little update on the grow operation. I want to let you take a look at some of this lettuce down here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this romaine lettuce. How it's nice and forming pretty nice down up in there. Look at that. Ooh, nice and fresh. Yeah, but everything is doing great. I had to move the strawberries. The bird was just tearing them up. I couldn't even get them. So I had to move them and cover them. They're doing okay right now, but look at that. Yes. Nice. Look at this. This lettuce is just, whew. I love it. Again, if you stay near me, come on, stop by and pick some of this lettuce. Pick what's ever ready. Look at this spinach. Look at that spinach. All organic. You don't see this in the store. Look at that. Beautiful. Again, gotta do some more harvest on this lettuce. What I don't eat, I'll juice it and compost the rest. But yeah, it's doing great. Doing great. The kale is doing great over here. I'm gonna transplant these next week. So they'll be going to 5-gallon buckets next week. So yeah, I already harvested off of them. Let you take a look at what I've been moving over here. I cleared this table out. It had a lot of collard greens, mustard greens over here. So I had to move those and transplant them to 5-gallon buckets. So that's what we have over here, is bigger buckets. But they're doing great. And taste great. But yeah, look at the kale back here. Look at this big kale leaf. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. All organic. No chemicals, no nothing. Look at that. All fresh. And I juice these all the time. Woo-wee. Dandelion greens. Yeah, but got a lot of kale back there that I harvested off of, and I juice. Got a lot of mustard greens, collard greens. Have a lot of different varieties. Vates and Georgia Southern. Next week, I'm actually going to start more tomatoes, but these are my tomatoes that I need to stake. I need to tie down. But yeah, these are doing great. These are some more mustard, collards. It's a lot of food out here. I have some more mustards, collards. Collards. Got to have that green. Make that green super juice. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what was going on. Let you guys know that everything is going all right. Stay clean, stay safe, and stay away from that GMO. Stay away from GMO. Stay organic. That's the way you came into the world. Stay clean. This is Tony B from the high desert, Palmdale, California. Stay safe, my friends. And check me out on Boone Organics Gardening on Facebook.